We are pleased to show you the 2025 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.